In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Microsoft Copilot app on your Windows PC. This app is a fantastic tool that provides a host of features to enhance your productivity and make completing tasks contact more intuitive and seamless. We'll walk through everything you need to know to access and begin using Copilot effectively. Let's begin by opening the Microsoft Copilot app on your Windows PC. You can typically find it in your list of applications in the Start menu, or perhaps it's conveniently pinned to your taskbar for easy access. Once you have it open, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you already have a Microsoft account, it's just a matter of using your existing email and password. However, if you're new to Microsoft services, you'll want to create a new account by following the prompts on screen. This usually involves inputting your email and creating a secure password. Remember, having a strong password is crucial, so ensure it's a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After entering your credentials, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, get ready to complete that process. This extra layer of security might involve receiving a code via text message, email, or through an authenticator app. Ensure you have access to whatever method you've set up for receiving your two-factor authentication code. This step, though perhaps an extra minute of effort, adds a significant level of security to protect your personal and professional information. Once you've gone through the security checks, you'll be presented with the permissions and terms of service screen. It's important to take a moment to read these terms to understand what you're consenting to, even though it might be tempting to rush through. Accepting these permissions is necessary for the app to function properly and provide the full range of its features. Finally, after you've accepted the terms, you can start diving into the Copilot features within the app. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow with automation or you want to explore the AI-powered insights available to you, Copilot has a lot to offer. Feel free to take some time now and explore the app's interface, perhaps testing out some of the features that interest you most. With practice, you'll start to discover new ways that Copilot can assist you in achieving your goals more efficiently. And there you have it. Starting with the Microsoft Copilot app is straightforward and opens the door to a more productive computing experience. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful, ensuring you can navigate the setup process with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I wish you all the best as you explore what Copilot can do for you.